I'm Anu Chaudhary. I'm from Plastic Machinery Association. It is an association for all the industry who are making machinery and allied products for it. And here we are showcasing association's benefits, and we are doing an exhibition Plast Focus, which is scheduled for 1st to 5th February 24 in New Delhi, NCR. So we are inviting here exhibitors and visitors and giving them information about the show. We have all kind of machineries: injection molding machine, blow molding machines, and extrusion machine. And we have got a tremendous response. You can see the sponsors. This would be the biggest technology show in India. Not only in India, we can say Asia in the coming year. It is excellent because we are more than 80% sold at the moment. Our rates are. We are into service industry. We are not as such selling the products, but for the exhibition, we are the most competitive. Pricing is there, and best of the services are there for the machinery show. Because if any show is there, 70 to 75% area is occupied by the machinery people, and this is organized by them for them, and we invite everyone to be there.